Hi, I'm Riley. Welcome to the Harriet House. Let me show you around. This is the living room. This is the space of living where people come to watch movies and eat dinner and play with Ari. Ari! Now, let me show you the dining room. This is the mirror where everybody fixes their hair. This is Danny Daniels, and she is doing a devotional.
I think my favorite part of the dining room is just the table where we all sit together and have a meal, you know? The lovely flowers, the natural light, it's so lovely. Come with me, I'm gonna show you the office. So this is the office. This is where you can come to have a private conversation, stuff like that, or if, you just need a place to store the beanbag chairs. I think Nikki's in the basement. She can show you guys around down there.
Hello, darlings. Welcome to the basement. This is another common space where we girls like to hang out, do some puzzles, maybe have some ice cream. Here, let me show you around. A little movie action. Oh, but what's this? Here we have some Harriet House quotes, because we're quirky like that. Here, we have a collection of games and movies to entertain yourselves with. And there is a common bathroom shared by all the girls in the basement. We have a beautiful shower curtain, but bring your own because this one may disappear from time to time. Come, let me show you my room. We have a wonderful name and verse reference here for all the Elizabeths out there. This is my room. All the pictures of me. I know it's not much, but it's home. There's room here for a desk. And come along. There's even my closet here for all of my clothes. Oh my gosh. You don't even go here. This room's empty. You could be my roommate. Now, you can go upstairs and see Serena. She's in her room, in the nook.
Oh, howdy y'all. Didn't see you there. I was just reading this book here about how to be a godly woman and a good wife. But let me show you around. See, the rooms up here in the nook have beautiful views. They have rooftop access, so whenever you're daydreaming about your man or God, you can come right on out here and lay your weird little head. See, up here in the nook, 3 girls share a bathroom. It's not like your normal everyday campground. You know what I'm saying, girls? Anyone can fit into these showers. Don't matter how big and how small you are. Natalie, are you over there on the other side of the house? Could you show these new dolls around?
Yeah, Serena, come on in. This is the new part of the house. And, it costs a little bit more, but if you want to live like this, you gotta pay an extra price. My room has an attached Jill and Jill. There's like 8 bedrooms up here and 4 Jack and Jills. I'm like totally starving right now. Want to come downstairs and make a salad with me? Now, while I walk through this hallway, let me show you all the female boxes and the whiteboard right here to tell you the chores and the laundry room. And then the kitchen. Here in the kitchen, we have 2 dishwashers, 2 sinks, 2 ovens, 2 microwaves, and 4 freezers. My favorite part is when there's more than 4 people, we party. So